In this video, I'll show you how to get started using pivot tables and pivot charts in Excel. So here I've typed in some data showing product information for 10 tablet computers. And if I go to the Insert tab, see there's a button over here called Pivot Chart. I'm going to click on there. And then I want to select just a portion of this table. And so I'm just going to select the costs and the operating systems. And then I'm going to put my pivot chart in the existing worksheet so we'll be able to see it, and I'll just put it down here. So at the beginning, nothing shows up. But over here on the side, you can see pivot chart fields. If I click cost, we'll get cost. And if I click operating system, we'll get costs broken down by the different operating systems. And at the moment, what it's doing by default is just the sum of the costs for each tablet, for each operating system. But if I click over here where it's got a little information symbol, I can change that to, let's say, the average. So now when I click OK, the chart here changes and the table over here changes. So we can see, for example, that the overall average cost for the tablet computers is $582.90. For those with Android operating systems, it's only $428.50 versus the Windows ones, which average $723.20. We can change the data that we're looking at if we click here where it says change data source. And so let me change it to, let's look at the CPU manufacturers. So we'll OK that. So now, again, everything blanks out until you select the field name. So we're going to look at CPU manufacturers. And at the moment, it's just doing a total of all of them. It's not breaking them down into categories. So I need to drag CPU down here so that we've got it broken down by categories. And so you can see there's one Apple chip, there's 5 Intel, 2 IT OMAP, and 2 NVIDIA. And if I want to get percentages here, the way that I can do that is if I click on that information symbol down in the values area and click show data as, and then instead of no calculation, let's do percentage of column total and OK that. And now in my table over here, we've got the percentages. And that's also reflected in the bar chart here as well.